Today is Saturday, January the 25th. This is the first Lunar New Year celebration we attended at Little Saigon, and Vietnamese Lunar New Year. So Joe is here with me and with a thousand, I would say hundreds of thousand people here. So Joe, we're the first time we joined the Vietnamese community and had our booth here promoting Asian American stories.
This is exciting because I think the Vietnamese have been supporting our Asian American story and in a big way. So it's time that we come and support them and celebrate Spring Festival together. The two countries has a lot of cultural ties going back many years, and Vietnamese and the Chinese people and American people should get together and celebrate the Spring Festival, the Lunar New Year.
I feel, here, even though I'm first time I attend this, but I feel so familiar. In the food I eat, the people I see, the dress, we dress together. I find that so much in common in the culture. And also our good friends, Ming Chuan is here, and Hang Nguyen Fang is here, Queenie Neil is here. So we get so many Vietnamese friends here. So we're so excited and really enjoy the time here.
And we have the same culture as far as the Lunar Year is concerned, passing out lucky money, firecrackers, the line dance, the dragon dance, and the two countries are so closely tied together as far as culture is concerned. So this is a very good opportunity for us to be here and promote our Asian American stories.
Yes, it's too much noise, so that's why I'm getting a microphone closer to you. And also, I'm so happy that we have young people joining us today. Amy is here with us, and Zaki is here with us. And we work together, set up this booth, and put up this tent together. And it's really the teamwork, and we truly enjoy it today.
And I'm really happy to join in my first activity I ever attend in America to the Vietnamese and Lunar New Year celebration. And today I hang out a lot of fire along with some special gift from our Asian American Story organization, and I'm really happy to get the time to enjoy this amazing day with all the Chinese, Vietnamese, and American friends and peoples.
Thank you.
Amy has always been working behind the scenes, but today I want her to be in the front, facing the camera. Amy, tell us what you have prepared for today's booth.
Hello, I'm Amy. I prepared the banner, the poster, the flyer, and the program book, and the promotion material for our Lunar New Year together, and the booth for our Asian American story in our bag.
Lots of things. We brought 1,000 flyers. We already delivered over 500 of them. We're still working on that. And we have the posters, and we also give the giveaway, the keychain as a small gift. So thank you, Amy.
Thank you.